Hello, welcome to our second summative assessment. This one's about daily life in ancient Egypt. And just like before, we're going to be writing a CER paragraph. All right, and our prompt, what we're going to be answering is, how did social class affect daily life in ancient Egypt? And before I dig into the graphic organizer and show you that, I'm going to point out a couple of quick things from down here, which is, first of all, if you need to review what a CER is and how it works, look at assignment 1.4.2. Okay, there's a video there that goes through what CER is in more depth. I'm going to go through it just very quickly here. Okay, and there's also some text on there, so if you don't want to watch the video, you can just read. We're going to take this up a step from last week, and we're going to use 3 pieces of evidence and 3 pieces of reasoning, so it's a little bit different. And it's going to be a longer paragraph. Okay. And we're going to wrap up our paragraph with some kind of a concluding sentence. So the trick with the concluding sentence, and I'll go through this again later too, is that you want to review your claim in different words. Okay? This is not the spot where you put new information in. All right, so our graphic organizer here, there we go, this is what I wanted to see. We've got space for our claim, and remember that is your answer to that prompt. How did social class affect daily life in ancient Egypt? Okay, you've got spots for evidence. These might be quotes, they might be examples. You're going to pull those from the text. Okay, so this is just from your reading about daily life in ancient Egypt. And for each one of those, you're going to explain how it supports that idea that you came up with in your claim. Okay, and then you're going to wrap it up with some kind of a concluding statement. And again, for your concluding statement, you're going to restate your claim in different words. Okay, you are not at this point going to say anything new. You're not at this point going to say anything new. Okay, and I know this feels a little bit repetitive, but trust me when I say when you're an adult, or even when you're in high school and you're writing at more length, it's a lot less repetitive when you're doing it over 2 pages or 10 pages or 20 pages, right, to wrap up by restating your introduction. So the last part you're going to do here is put everything together into a complete paragraph. Okay, so take all of what you wrote up here, turn it into a paragraph, like what you might write for ELA, and then you're going to go ahead and hand this graphic organizer and paragraph in to me, and I will go ahead and grade it. If you need help, if you have questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'd be delighted to help you out any way that I can. And otherwise, I will see you in class.